Now that we know what variations are, we should know why are they so important. So let's define variations in proper words first. So variations refer to the genetic differences which occur in each generation and defines the dissimilarities between parents and the offsprings. That means when parents reproduce and give the offsprings, the thing which decides the differences between the child and their parent are known as variations. Now, to properly understand the importance of variations, we will illustrate it better with a story. So, this is stories about a beetle family which lives on a leaf. Fine. So, these are red in color. The beetles are red in color, and the crows are their predators, where they eat these beetles which live on the leaf. Now, since they are red in color, they are easy to spot by the crows, and they are easily killed. So after some time, what happens? Because of variations, one beetle gets a green color. Now this green color blends with the green color of the leaf, and the crows are not able to spot the green ones, but they are able to spot the red ones which are also present. Now what happens? Slowly, the crows finish off eating the red ones, and the green ones dominate over the red ones, and the entire family ends up being green in color, since green helps them to survive better. So what have we learned? That variations help the organism to survive better in their surroundings. Now we can also take another case in which the red ones which are being eaten by the crow reproduce, and because of variations a blue one gets formed. Now this blue one does not give much of a difference. It actually does not blend with the green leaf either. They are also easily spotted by the crows and eaten. So this also continues, and we continue having red ones and also blue ones. Now consider a scenario. For example, let's take an elephant comes in this and steps on the leaf. Because of that, many of them die, and the ones which do survive are mostly blue in color. So they reproduce into blue ones, but blue ones are not helping them to survive better, because blue ones can also be eaten by the crow. These kind of variations which do not help the organism to survive better is called genetic drift. So now we know what variations are, and now we know what genetic drift is. So we all know what variations are by now. We have already discussed that. So we need to know why are variations so important. So let's define variations properly first. Variations refer to the genetic difference which occur in each generation and defines the dissimilarities between parents and the offspring. What this means is that when parents reproduce and give their children, they are not extreme